Tired of switching apps just to check your official email? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add your work or professional mail ID directly into Gmail in 2025. On mobile, open the Gmail app. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Then tap Add another account. Choose the type of email, whether it's Outlook, Yahoo, or your company email, and follow the on-screen steps. That's it. Your official inbox will now appear right in Gmail. On a computer, sign in to Gmail, click the gear icon, and choose See All Settings. Head to the Accounts and Import tab, then under Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add an Email Account. Enter your work email and the login details your company or hosting service provides. You can also use Gmailify to keep everything synced and organized in one inbox. And if you're setting up a brand new professional email with Google Workspace, just go to the Gmail sign-up page, select Create Account, choose Work or Business, and complete the setup with your details and password. That's how you manage all your official emails in Gmail. Fast, simple, and efficient. If this helped, hit like, share your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.